Hello everyone. We have discussed about how to create the geometry, supports, property and load case. Now in this session we will discuss about the analysis and designing part. So this is our project file of a banquet hall, and in this we have done all the input datas. After that, for analysis, you just go to the analysis option and first click on the check model. When you will click, I have a dialog box in front of us. So here you can check the different parameters. Okay, this geometry you have created is okay or not. So I'm just click on check all the option and click on OK. Now model has been checked, no warning message found. So it means it is okay for analysis purpose. So you just click on run analysis and click on F5 shortcut. When analysis is done, here in the right hand side you will see deform shape of the 3D view. Okay, and suppose so first you click on the undeformed shape and you want to check the analysis results. So our next step is verification of results. It means bending moment diagrams and shear force diagrams is okay or not. So you just click on member forces and click on frame forces options. For checking the bending moment, you just select the moment 33 and click on OK. Here you can see I have the different color codings. At the ends I have the red color and the center of part I have yellow color. So it is showing where I have the tension for this particular beams. So at the ends I have the tensions and for the center part I have the tensions. Similarly in the columns. Now after that, suppose this beam has the major tensions at the ends and center because I have applied the 12 kilonewton per meter UDL wall load for this beams, and this beam has no any other wall loads. That's why it has the more moment. And if you want to check the result individually, so you just select the member and click right click of your mouse. So a dialog box diagram for the beam number B4 at story 1. This is story number 1, and you can check the different results. This is your moments, and this is your suppose if you want to check the particular distance, so you just select the scroll and move your scroll start to end, and you can check the moment. Similarly, you can check the shear force values at particular ends and particular midpoints. And suppose if you want to check the maximum value, select the show maximum tab, and here you will see I have minus 481.6 kilonewton meter at this end moment, and shear 13.77 for this distance, and this is your deflection value, and this is of 120. Now this is the four moments. Suppose I want to check the shear force, so again go to the frame forces and select the shear 2 2. and click OK. So you can check the shear result for this particular frame section, and here you can see I have the more shear for this beam comparison to this beam, because I have the load wall load for this beam. Now after that, you can check the torsions and check the axial forces. Now this is your analysis part. After that, we just check the designing part. For checking the designing, first go to the design, and before going to design, you just select your options, preferences, and concrete frame design, and select the code. This is your IS456. Okay. Now go to the design and go to the concrete frame design and click on start design check of the structures. Just changing the units. So when you have done your job, in this tab you will see the reinforcement area. Here I have more moments. This is of at the ends, and at the center of the bottom I have the more moments. So here you can see 460, 460 and 524 reinforcement, and where I have less moment, then less reinforcement. At the top I have only 115 mm square, and at the bottoms I have only 315 moments mm square steel. Now suppose if you want to check percentage of steels, so you just go to the design, concrete frame design, and click display design information, and select the design output tab and select the rebar percentage and click on OK. So it will show the percentage of steels, and we know the manual formula. This is the AST divided by cross section into 100. This is equal to of percentage of steel. So this is showing the percentage of steel for this particular member. Now suppose if you want to check the ratios, column PM interactions ratios, so I have the different type of the color codings. Okay, this is green and this is pink color. Okay, and here I have the row of different color codings. So you can check if I have the red value, so this is column is unsafe or beam unsafe, and if I have the value less than of 1, my column and beam is safe. So after that you can check the different type of the, suppose if you want to check general reinforcement detail and click on OK. So here you can see I have the 1097 mm square for this particular columns, and similarly 460 at the ends and 524 for the bottom of the parts. So this is the method to check your results.